Hello YouTubers, in this video we're going to be changing out the sliding door handle on my wife's 2012 Honda Odyssey Touring Elite. This works for both doors, what we're about to go through, and let's just jump right into our issue. And it's sporadic, it does not happen all the time, but it's getting to where it's happening enough now we need to fix the problem. So what we do is we come up here and we open the door, and it's working, of course. That's how it works. And when you come up here and you pull the door to close it, well, that's normally what happens over here. So in either case, that's what happens. But always, if you pull it and hold it, it always works. Never doesn't work, but people don't come up here and open the handle and hold it. They're just like that. Just decides that it won't open. But if you pull it and hold it, it always works. So that's the issue we're chasing. We're going to get this thing fixed. First thing we need to do is get our tools. I'm going to show you what we have to have. Here are our parts. Our parts, this is color coded to the car, meaning that part number corresponds to this door handle on this side and in this color. So your part may be a bit different depending on the color of the car you have and the side that you're having the problem with. So all I can tell you is I'll link to the place where I bought my part, and you'll have to Google search on their site the exact part you need for your door. Okay, the first thing we want to do is cut off the power to the door. So I can't get this to show up very clearly, but there is a clip here. Excuse me, a clip here that goes up on either side of this handle and locks into place where it's open on the top. So we're going to be putting our pick tool in here and prying out, and the clip should fall down. The next thing we want to do is we want to unclip this from the door, and let me get my pry tool, and it just pops out like so. Three clips. Okay, the next thing we want to do is we want to leave the door somewhat open, but we want to pry something in our way, because what we have to do now is pull on the door. Let's see, holding one-handed. Anyway, there we go. All right, let's get this side. Let's see. Okay. It sits down in this tray, so you want to kind of pull out and up because it sits on top of this. It bites into that. Let's disconnect any kind of cables, which would be our power. Yeah. That's it for the panel. Hot dog. Look at that. Okay, the next thing we want to do is we want to pull out these 10mm bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4 right here. The bolts are out. Now we want to lift up here. Just let this fall out of our way, like so. Same thing with this, just let it fall out of our way. And you see we have a bolt here and a bracket, and we're going to, but we first need to go ahead and let's remove this plastic. Just have a needle nose pliers, and I'm pulling back toward the back of the door, like so. Okay, the next thing we want to get is this right here, 10mm. And slide this bracket out. we want to undo this. Hard to do all this one-handed. Next, we want to get that 10 millimeter there out. So I have a magnetized tin I went and got because I do not want to lose this in the door. Next is the bracket. See that? There's the bracket. So I'm trying to be careful with that piece of plastic, but in reality, I don't have to be. There's a brand new one on the door already, the new door replacement door handle. So let's force this thing off. There we go. Hey. And yay. Out with the old. All right, let's clean this area here up while we're here. Here's our new door handle. Let's slide this side in first. Slide. Let's see. All right. Yeah, that looks right. Now let's get our brackets in from, excuse me, let's get our brackets in on the back side. Let's start the reassembly. Let's put this bracket on. It goes this way, over the back. Okay, next is this bracket. This is how it orientates itself. We're going to come up from behind. Like so. Oh, that seemed perfect. Let's try putting in our tin. Yeah. Finger tight. Okay, the next thing we want to do is shove our pin into the hole, like so. Bring it into that groove there. Slide that around. Now we need our retainer. Like so. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna tighten these down. I don't know to what foot-pounds, but it's gonna be good and tight. Good and tight. Okay, the next thing we wanna do is move our flashlight out of our way. Let's get this back in place. I guess we'll put the whole assembly back up there. Remember, it hangs into there. All right, let's start our 10 millimeter bolts and get this assembly back in place. Okay, the mechanism is back in, nice and tight. I think we're on to turning it on and testing. Well, it's fall in the south at this time of year and my neighbor's blowing leaves, so I'm having to do a voiceover so that I could finish this video. What you're looking at here, I'm me enabling the power on the switch there to power up the doors, and here we are getting ready to test the door handle. So let's wait. Here we go. Pull the handle, there you go, and it works. Not sure if this is the sole issue or if me jiggering things around in there maybe helped as well, but I no longer have the problem. I will take the win, but that's how you replace the door handle in this style Honda Odyssey. YouTubers, if you like the video, like the video.